Have you ever imagined holding the future of smartphones right in your hands? Well, the wait is over because Samsung is about to change the entire smartphone game with its revolutionary Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. This is not just a phone, it's a glimpse into the next era of technology, and trust me, once you see what it can do, you'll never look at your phone the same way again. Now, let's dive into this masterpiece that's making waves across the tech world. The Galaxy Z Trifold is Samsung's boldest and most futuristic device yet, featuring not one, not two, but three folding panels that transform from a compact smartphone into a full-size tablet and even a mini laptop setup. Imagine having the power of a tablet, the portability of a phone, and the productivity of a laptop, all in one sleek device. Samsung's new Flex OLED 3X display bends seamlessly across the panels, giving you a massive 7.2-inch unfolded screen with a stunning 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and ultra-bright clarity, even in sunlight. Watching movies or gaming on this thing feels like carrying a cinematic experience in your pocket. But that's not all. Samsung has powered this beast with the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, optimized for multitasking and AI-powered performance. The built-in Galaxy AI takes personalization to another level, automatically adjusting your battery usage, performance, and even camera settings based on your habits. Speaking of battery, the Z Trifold packs a massive 6,200 mAh dual-cell battery with 65W fast charging and 25W wireless charging support, so you can fold, scroll, stream, and work all day long without breaking a sweat. And let's talk cameras, because Samsung is pulling no punches here. The triple rear setup includes a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens that deliver breathtaking shots in every light condition. Thanks to AI-enhanced imaging, every photo looks like it's been professionally edited. Plus, the front camera embedded in the folding display lets you take selfies like never before, crisp, clear, and futuristic. Performance-wise, this device is a powerhouse. With up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, switching between tasks is as smooth as silk. Samsung has also re-engineered its hinge system with aerospace-grade titanium, making it lighter, tougher, and more durable than ever before, capable of over 500,000 folds without a single creak. The Z Trifold runs on One UI 8.5 based on Android 15, bringing smoother animations, AI voice commands, and seamless split-screen multitasking. You can literally open 3 apps at once and drag and drop across panels like magic. The launch date? Samsung is expected to unveil this groundbreaking device in early 2026, and tech fans are already losing their minds with excitement. Now here's the twist. Samsung has been teasing a secret mode that activates when the phone detects a full 3-way unfold. Rumors suggest it might transform into a desktop interface that connects wirelessly to any display, essentially turning your phone into a full PC setup. If that's true, then this isn't just a smartphone, it's the future of mobile computing. But here's the question. Are we even ready for that level of innovation? Just imagine walking into a cafe, unfolding your phone, and working like you're on a full laptop. And here's a surprise for those watching till the end. Samsung might offer early buyers an exclusive Galaxy Creator Kit with a foldable stylus and a smart AI cover that adapts its display based on how you fold it.
How cool is that?
So, if you're as hyped as I am about the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold, make sure to stay tuned because this phone could redefine the tech world as we know it. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. The Galaxy Z Trifold isn't just another phone. It's the moment the future folds into your hands, literally.